So we're here in Perrytown to fix these doors, and so two of the hinges are gone. That one is broken. This one is broken, so they can't use this door. This is the theater in Port Perry, and so we have to make this work. Then we're also going to end up fixing. We have some issues with the exit bar there, so we're gonna have to fix it. And so we're gonna be putting a continuous hinge. We're gonna put that there, so to hold the door from the top to bottom. And I'll show you guys the finished product in about an hour. Okay guys, I just finished doing some other work inside, so I'm done inside and out. And this was the broken hinge system. I said I was going to show the video of it done, so that's it. It's done, everything done. Door is perfect, complete, straight up from top to bottom. Everything works.